Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tour. I will be going live a couple times today on some other social media platforms, but this is the wall that's under question. The plywood, I didn't have enough, so I'm about to go get it. But this is what we're doing, right? So these are the Packout shelf kits, and that's Packout Princess. They're feeding dogs pepperoni because who doesn't love pepperoni? But most of the mess is out. But this is the stuff. I want to show you guys this. Whoop, right? Big one, medium, small, right? I got some stuff we're going to be giving away on this platform, YouTube. And if you're watching this and you're not on YouTube, head over to my YouTube tonight. We're going to do it 8 o'clock Eastern time. We're going to go over what's being built out here. We're going to do some giveaways, some laser levels. You guys have seen the little ones that I've posted. I also have contour gauge that I got sent. Look at this. Oh, she's going to be happy. Customers are going to be happy. Packout pins. And I got something in from Ohio Power Tool finally. So tonight, 8 Eastern, hop on my YouTube. If you don't know what it is, you can just go to youtube.jacoball.com or you can go into your little search thing and type in YouTube and then type in Jacoball and you'll find me. So subscribe so that you can see, so that you can win some of this stuff. Also on Instagram, we hit 35K. So we're going to be giving away probably tomorrow. We're going to announce the winners. What? Yeah? You good with that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
We're going to announce the winners of the Ofla knives. That's, yeah, awesome. And you guys, Brunt Workwear, Jacoball 10. Use that coupon code, you can get 10 bucks off. But head over to my channel tonight. I don't know if she's going to bother us or not, or maybe she'll do bikini car washing. I mean, that would be cool, but she probably won't. She'll just sit on the couch and play with the dogs. See? Crazy dogs. So, yeah, I'm glistening. I got to run to the store while she mans the driveway because of all the expensive stuff sitting outside. And I'll see you guys tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern time. We're going to be giving away some laser levels and maybe some other stuff. So, we'll see you.